Hey, what's happening, everybody? It's Silver Fox here. Hey, this is part two of the 2023 reverse proof Morgan piece. If I can open this, I guess I'll take it off. Well, I'll try to open it in front of you guys. Wow, a lot of tape there. All right, so you can see hasn't been opened yet. I'm gonna take it off camera in case there's like an address or something popping out. Kind of is. All right. And so I have my headphones in this time because it seemed like I was kind of like breathing into the camera. So sorry about that. Part two. I have four here. And I'm kind of low on battery, so I'm just going to kind of quickly go through them for you guys. But also try to be cognizant that to get it on camera. And there's the COA. Ooh, these ones actually look pretty good. The obverses actually look pretty good. I'm not sure if there's something. Yeah, I think that was just felt. So those obverses look real silky. And then I have my tripod on a chair, so I'm just gonna flip these around here. Wow, these were better than the first ones. Look at that. So I'd say one for one, that's looking pretty good. I'm just gonna guess these are both 70s. It could be wrong, but coming from the last ones that we got, I feel bad for whoever got those. But let's see if the Mint can keep it up. Seems like they've been listening to us. And so these four are going to go out to customers too. We got a COA, nothing special. We got a Morgan that's flopping around like they all are doing. Let's see here. Get the lint off. Say there's a little something on the Morgan cheek. But overall looking pretty good. No smuts. Let me try to flip these over so you guys can see. This one is stuck. These peace dollars always really slammed in there. Say 2 for 2. These are looking pretty good. All right. Batting 1,000. Looking good, looking good. All right, number 3. Lucky 3. Oops. Yep, my tripod just fell over there. All right, so I'm going to take this off camera to get it all situated, but haven't seen any special COAs or heard of any. This is literally how it came when I just opened it, guys, like this. That's terrible. That is terrible. You think for $185, like at least the packaging would keep them in there. These will look really clean too. Something on right. I don't know if you can see it. Sorry, my hands are dirty. Been messing with tires today. There's like something below the eye. I don't know if you can see that. The piece looks pretty good too. There's like stuff on the neck. Could be just from the box. It's hard to tell. But definitely the camera seems to be picking out stuff more than my naked eye. So maybe you'll be seeing more than what I'm seeing here. But pretty good coins. There's some more felt on the holders there. But I mean, what is this? What is that there? Foreign substance on this holder. It looks like a pencil eraser piece of rubber. So that one looks good too. And for the fourth and final one here, drum roll please. Let's see if this one's intact or if it's all strewn about. Alright, so these are here. They're not moving. A piece of black something on the piece. Let me get that off. Gosh, they really need to improve this packaging, guys. It's pitiful. Alright. There's something on the Morgan cheek. I don't know. From the naked eye, it looks fine, and then when you look at it through the camera, there's like these little striations. You see that? So it's just hard to tell. There's definitely something, like look at that. There's definitely something on the piece, unless that's inside the capsule. It's probably inside the capsule, but I'm not going to investigate too hard right now with what that is, but they all seem to be looking pretty good. I mean, better than the last batch. I don't know if you guys remember white specks on Morgan, and then it seemed like all the piece had these oil marks on them. They were just terrible. So I don't see any on the Averses, but I'd say overall 5 out of 9 were looking kind of MS70-ish, and 4 were really bad, and that came in the first order. So glad to get these. Glad that some of my customers will get a little bit nicer piece, but feel for the ones that didn't, and it's all randomized. So all right, guys, let me know how your Morgan piece reverse 2023 came out, and have you heard anything about a special COA? I haven't, and kind of wish they did do something, because like this is a really special set. So thanks for tagging along with me, guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.